In this video, I will be showing you how to create a startup pitch deck using Gamma AI. Let's get started. I'll begin on my dashboard by clicking the Create New AI button at the top of the screen. From the creation options, I'm going to select Generate to build my presentation from a single prompt. Before I type anything in, I'll click the card count dropdown and adjust it to 6 cards to keep my pitch concise. Now, I'll enter my prompt, a pitch deck for a B2B SaaS startup focusing on AI automation. With the prompt ready, I'll click Generate Outline. The AI quickly provides a structured outline covering the company introduction, the problem, our solution, and even the market opportunity and financial ask. This structure looks great, so I'll click the blue button at the bottom to continue. Next, I can customize the style. I'll set the amount of text to concise and look for a professional theme. I think the Seafoam theme looks perfect for a tech startup, so I'll select it and click Generate. Now, I can sit back and watch as Gamma AI builds the entire deck slide by slide. It's creating a title card for our command center, detailing the problem of manual workflows, and laying out our solution for an autonomous AI workforce. It even populates the slides with market data and a clear business model. Now that the generation is finished, the presentation is fully editable. I can click into any card to change the content, swap out images, or use the toolbar on the right to add more elements and refine the deck to my exact needs. And there you have it. That's the complete process of creating a startup pitch deck with Gamma AI.